Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we are back to doing our normal thing. We're doing a monthly subscription box from Magic at Your Door. I don't know which one this is, to be honest with you, so I will tell you later after I look at it, because I'm not sure if it's the gold or the silver. So we recently went to Disneyland. Over the weekend we released our first night there, but I don't want to wait so long to do the boxes. So we are going to, for a little while, we're going to do subscription boxes on Wednesdays, and we are going to do the Disney trip on Saturdays. So twice the work, but it's not me, it's CJ, so I don't care. All right, let's take a look at what we're doing. All right, so we've got Dude on here, all set up for Mardi Gras. That's the word I was looking for. And they always personalize it, and you can see it says Disney Dynamicks right there. Very cute. And this is the February box. I'm starting to get a handle on when these ship and all that good stuff. So we're going to jump in here, and that's all coming up right now. All right, here we go. So judging by the size of this box, I'm pretty sure this is the bronze box. Ready? All right, so first things first, we've got some very colorful confetti in here. This is their monthly newsletter, which I will, please hold. I will throw this up on the screen for you so you can take a peek. They always include this. It has the color codes on there for all the Disney prices, so you can figure out what your box is worth. So this just tells you, you can see it on the screen, has information about if you want to be on their YouTube channel unboxing and their affiliates, where you can make a little bit of money by getting other people to order from Magic at Your Door. And they also have this thing where you can text Magic to a number and they will give you updates on new things that are coming out and one-time boxes and all that good stuff. So all good information. And again, if you do not have a subscription yet, you can use our discount code, which is DD10, boop, right there. So this is good for their subscriptions. You get a discount off of the first monthly subscription, the first cost. So please use that if you are going to get a box. And then this is the other page that they had mentioned in here. This one is explaining how to be a guest unboxer on their YouTube channel. So you can have a look at that. I'll boop, throw it right there. All right, first things first. I see a red box, so we're gonna save that Jim Shore till last. Got it. We're gonna save that for later too. All right, so let's see what we got going on in here. They have a little bit of confetti in this month. But if you're a confetti collector, like I am, actually my mattress is stuffed full of this stuff. First things first, we've got some Mickey Mouse socks. Original Mouseketeer. A little Look at those bad boys. I will not get these. Very cute. I'll take a better picture in the photo box and... These are directly from the Disney parks, very cute, and not for me. Okay, we're gonna take the Jim Shore and move it over there. Oh boy. Oh! So Mike at Magic at Your Door said that he had something that he was excited. It's a messy job for me to get, and I think this is it. It's a Mickey clock! This is so cool because we just got a bunch of art from our Disney trip. So we redid the wall that is behind our TV, and we removed a clock that we had up there previously, and now we keep looking at nothing. So this will go on our TV stand. Look at how cute it is. His little hands move. Nice. Thank you, Mike and 001. That is awesome. It's pretty heavy, too. I don't know what it's made out of, but... awesome. Can't believe you can get stuff like this in an inexpensive box. $74.99. Got this. Got socks. Got whatever that is and whatever that is. So, I'm going to go for the infamous... just kidding, Mike. The legendary pouch. Look. Confetti. And we've got a pin. Oh, and it's a cute one. This, okay, so to all those people that say, oh, they just do discount stuff and they just do, you know, they go to the discount stores. You know what just released last week while we were in Disney? Ink and Paint. Right there! Look at this is brand new from the park. It's yellow. Yellow. Yellow is $12.99. So this just released, and here it is in my Magic at Your Door box. Love that! Super cool. All right. I'll throw a better picture right there for you so you can see it in the photo box. And now we've got this. No peek. I was going to say no peeking, but there's a window right here on this side. See? All right. It's the Cheshire Cat. Look at how cute he is. I really like the pattern that Jim Shore does on all of his little statues. Super cute. His back is super cute too. I'll put him on the turntable. Boop. So you can take a better look at him. Very cute. So this is their bronze box. And in a box that's $74.99, which includes shipping with Magic at Your Door, which is awesome. I've got a Jim Shore. I've got a sweet Mickey clock. That's really heavy. I really like it. I've got the latest pin release. I've got socks that are exactly... I love Mickey stuff. I think all you guys know that by now. And all of this confetti that is now all over my house. Very happy. Thank you so much, you guys. This is really cool stuff. If you'd like to take a look at last week's video, or last Saturday's video, Sunday's video, I'm gonna get it one of these times. Last Sunday's video was our first evening in Disneyland. We actually went to downtown Disney and had some food and stuff like that. Take a look at that right there. And if you'd like to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything, click this button right here. I hope you're having a great day.